Why is Project Echo still not fixed yet? Why am I drinking coffee at 6 p.m.? Why is everyone calling Echo's differential the rare unicorn of GM 10-bolt gov lockers? Find out why in just a moment. So, as to why you're watching this video, there's only one of two explanations. Either A, you are a glutton for punishment and bad humor and potentially inappropriate dad jokes, or B, you're genuinely concerned about Project Echo and as to why it is still down and we haven't found proper gear replacement yet for the spider gears. Let's go take a look. Alright guys, I'm sure all of you completely remember that the big reason this was such an odd case was because of that weird wavy part on the gears and the lack of punch holes here to knock out these counterweights. Well, let me fill you in as to why this is. So I contacted Eaton directly and I was like, hey Eaton, how come I have this strange unicorn differential that no one has ever seen before? And I am thus having the most ridiculous time trying to find a spider gear set. To which their response was, well sir, the reason no one seems to have ever seen such a odd gov locker as yours is simply this. He said that when GM got the contract with the military to make the M1009 K5 Blazers, they were specifically instructed to not allow the majority of parts to like easily interchange with civilian trucks. Why? I don't know. I have no idea.
How exactly does a posit track rear end on a Plymouth work?
He also said that there were a few modifications that the military wanted GM to do to help strengthen things up. Supposedly, the axles were like cryo-treated for a little bit of extra strength. And the G80 was had a couple little differences made to make it a little bit stronger, which might be the reason that mine has lasted as long as it has. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a Chevrolet engineer, nor do I work for Eaton, so I don't know the real reason behind all of it, but that was the reason I was given. So now I've got one of two options. I can either try to find a civilian 10-bolt and swap out the differential and hopefully find a nice little locker, or I can just go ahead and upgrade. My brother has a 14-bolt that I'm gonna probably try to snatch off of him maybe, so we'll see guys, stay tuned, and as always, I really appreciate you guys. Honestly, the fact that you're still watching this channel is pretty astounding, so I greatly appreciate you guys. See you guys later. So I contacted Eaton directly and I was like, hey Eaton, what is up with this? Harry, quit eating that. It's nasty. Why is everyone now calling Echo's... Aries, quit eating that. That's nasty. Are we still rolling? Going in the bloopers scene.